Before we started adding and subtracting radicals, we were looking at simplifying radicals. And I hope you've been practicing those so that you're ready for this next part of adding and subtracting. We said that when you add and subtract radicals, you can only combine like radicals. They have to have the same radicand and the same index. This question here, the radicands are not the same. We have 12, 75, and 48. But hopefully you've been doing enough practice that you know that these can be simplified. So let's start by prime factoring each of the radicands. Our index is 2, so we know that we're always looking for 2 factors. 2 factors of 2 there, 2 factors of 5, and 2 groups of 2 factors here. So this one simplifies to 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus, remember we're taking out each group of 2, 4 root 3. Now we have like radicals. The index and the radicand are all the same. We keep the radicand and that radical, root 3, and we add and subtract the integers in front. 2 minus 5 is -3, plus 4 is 1 root 3, or simply root 3. Why don't you pause your video and try question 1. So our index is still 2 here. We're looking at square roots. I'm finding groups of 2 factors that are the same. Here we have 2 times 2. So the square root of 50 simplifies to 5 root 2. Square root of 32 simplifies to 4 root 2. And the square root of 18 simplifies to 3 root 2. Now our radicals are like radicals. We can add the coefficients. 9 plus 3 is 12. Keep the root 2. Question 2 is only different because there are some coefficients in front, but we've dealt with those as individual radicals. Why don't you stop and prime factor everything here? Again, we're looking for 2 factors that are the same. So here we're taking out 2 times 5. Here we're taking out 2 2's. So what does this simplify to? We have 2 times 2 times 5, that's 20 root 5, minus 2 root 5, plus 3 times 2 times 2, 12 root 5. Again, we have like radicals. Remember, you keep that radical and add and subtract the coefficients. 20 minus 2 is 18, plus 12, 30. What did I do here? We have some more practice. Oh, good. Pause your video. Try questions 3 and 4. So let's look at question 3. We have 2 factors of 3 here, 2 factors of 2 here. 2 times 3, that simplifies to 6 root 7. 6 times 2 minus 12 root 7 plus 3 root 7. Now we have like radicals. 6 minus 12, -6 plus 3, -3 root 7. What about question 4? I hope you were able to do this one. So 9 times 2, that simplifies to 18 root 5. 2 times 3 minus 6 root 6 plus 2 root 6. 4 times 3, 12 root 5. I see I have 2 different like radicals here. We have root 5 and root 6. So let's combine our like radicals. 18 plus 12, that gives me 30 root 5, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4 root 6. Take some time with those. Check the dates in Pearson MyLab. Use the homework for extra practice questions. Use your e-text for extra questions. And make sure you check your answers. The solutions are posted on the class Moodle page.